Hello students, welcome to Nyan Prabha. Here in this video, we are going to do exercise solution of the chapter characteristic of living organism. This is the first chapter of class 6 Maharashtra Board of the new syllabus of 2026. Let's start our exercise. First question is a fill in the blanks. Every living organism produces another living organism like itself. It is called as reproduction. Reproduction. Then question number B, dash dash and dash dash are the main characteristics of living organism. Growth and reproduction are the main characteristics of living organisms. The growth and the development of living organism due to food is called the nutrition. Nutrition of living organism. The body of living organism is made up of cell. Question number 2. Birds, fish and animals can move and change their position on their own. Shade leaves as well as vehicles like a tractor and bullock carts can also change their position. What are the important difference between these two types of movements? Let's see the answer. Living organisms move by themselves using their own energy. This is called locomotion. This is called locomotion. Non-living things cannot move on their own. They need external force or energy to change their position. This is the main difference of these two kind of movements. Question number 3. Germs of many diseases are extremely microscopic. They are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. Do such a living organism reproduce? What do you think? Explain how you decided this. Answer: yes. Germs or microbes do reproduce. They are reproduce. Even though they are extremely small, they are living organisms. All living organisms can produce more of their own kind. Germs multiply very fast. That is why disease spread quickly. That's mean microscopic germs and bacteria can reproduce and produce many of them because they are living organisms. Next question. Explain that animal like rats, cats and dogs show awareness of their surroundings through which through their behavior. Write down your experiences and observations of how they behave in different situations. Let's see the answer of this question. Rats, cats, and dogs clearly show awareness. What awareness? Rat runs and hide. Rat run and hide when they hear footsteps or sense danger. Dogs bark at strangers and wag their tail when they see their owner. Cats become alert and hide or run when they hear a sudden noise. They respond to food, smell, light, sound, and touch also. These responses prove that they are aware of their surroundings. Question number 5. Make a list of a different type of animal movement, different types of animal movement along with the animals that move in those ways. Let's see the answer. First, movement, running and walking. Dogs can run, cats can run, horses and humans. Running and walking, this kind of movement is done by these organisms. Flying, flying. Birds, bats, butterflies and bees can fly. Then swimming. Fish can swim, whales, ducks and frogs. They can swim. This is also kind of a movement. Crawling or slithering. Snakes, earthworm and snails. Their movement is called as crawling. Hopping and jumping. Frogs, kangaroos and rabbits. They are hopping. Means their jumping movement is called as hopping. Climbing. Monkeys can climb, squirrels can climb and lizards also can climb. Their movements is named climbing. Question number 6. Plants respond to stimuli. Write down as many observations and experiences as you can which demonstrate this. What plants respond to stimuli? Example for this. There are many examples. First example of sunflower. Sunflower turns to face the sun. This is called the movement of sunflower toward the sun is called as phototropism. Phototropism. Roots roots grow towards water and downwards. This is also the movement of root. Touch me not plant folds their leaves when touch. Touch me not plants respond to touch. Flowers open in the morning and close at a night. The flowers are open in day and they closes themselves at a night. This is also the movement of plant. Climbers grow toward support. This is also the plant's movement. Plants near window bend toward light. Plant bend toward light. This is also the response to stimuli by plant. Question number 7. Turtles stay in water for a long time. Why do they come to the surface repeatedly and poke their head out of the water? Fish, however, do not try this. Why? Let's see the answer. Turtles have lungs. They need to breathe air, so they come to the surface to take oxygen. Fish have a gills. Fish have a gills. Gills take a oxygen directly from the water. Gills take a oxygen directly from the water. That is why fish do not need to come to the surface to breathe. Okay. Next question. The life cycle of frog is given below in jumbled order. Give the correct number in the boxes to put them in the proper sequence. The proper sequence for life cycle of frog is that first is egg, second is early tadpole, then tadpole with hind legs, then froglet, then finally it is adult frog. First is frog eggs, tadpole, tadpole with legs. This is the development stages of frog's life cycle. Then it converts into froglet and finally the adult frog is there. Question number 9. Classify the following into living and non-living groups based on their characteristics. We all know that living things are Butterfly, fish, and trees. These are living things. In non-living thing, stone, bicycle, air, and kite, they are non-living ones. Living things, butterfly, fish, tree, these are living things. Non-living things, stone, bicycle, kite, bus, book, these are non-living things. Living things can grow, can move, breathe, and need food. Non-living things do not grow, do not move, or not need food. Question number 10. What are the effects on the animal when there is a drought and there is no food or water available for them? And second question is, a tiger cub grows. Does it also develop? Explain this statement. First question is, what are the effect on the animals when there is a drought? Answer for this question is, animal became weak, they may die because of hunger or thirst. Many animals migrate in search of food. Population of animals decreases. Animals may fight for limited resources. They can fight. And second question is of a tiger. A tiger cub grows. Does it also develop? Explain this statement. Yes, a tiger cub grows and also develops. Growth is nothing but increase in a size and weight. Development is becoming a more mature and complex. Organs fully form, hunting skills improve, became an adult tiger. An adult tiger. This is the answer for question number 10. So, students, here we have completed the exercise of first chapter of a science, that is characteristics of living organism. So, if you like video, like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Nyan Prabha. Thank you very much.